To change settings on your audio processor, select Listening Settings from the menu. On this page, you can control settings, such as volume, or adjust the sensitivity. If you would like to combine sides to change the settings of both processors simultaneously, tap the link icon. You can choose whether to receive input from your audio processor microphone, streamed audio, or a mixture of both. And you can select the program you want to listen with. Each time you change a setting, the indicator light on your audio processor will blink to show the command has been received. You can also restore your processor to default mode with one tap.